Hi guys, so if you can hear rain in the background, sorry, it's raining right now. It's starting to subside, but it's still raining and still making a lot of noise. But anyways, I got like a $10 mic and I wanted to see how this would work because I find that my voice is very quiet. I thought if I got a mic, maybe that would help. Also, the lighting might be a little different today because I started recording at like 3 p.m. I'm still trying to figure out lighting for these videos. Also, it's starting to get darker. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. Today I'm going to be using the Yes Please Color. Oh my god, today I'm going to be using the Yes Please Color Pop palette and a shadow from Morphe because I needed like a light transition shade. This is the look. I just wanted to do like a fun bold yellow look. I tried doing it the other day, but I felt like my crease was too dark. So I did it again today, and I think I really like it. And I hope I'll be going into the Morphe 9A Always Golden palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Myself right here. And I'm going to put this above my crease. But next I'm going to be going into the Yes Please palette by ColourPop, and I'm going to be taking, it's this color right here, and I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm just going to put it right here. Put the color in my crease. So the lighting might be a tad bit different. I felt like it was too dark in the other clip. But next I'm going to be going in with the Tarte concealer in the color medium, just a flat brush. Instead of directly applying this, I'm just going to take my brush, but not my brush, and apply it on my lid. I almost want to go into like my crease area, but not above it, if that makes sense. So next, instead of setting it, I'm just going to go straight into the Yes Please palette, and I'm going to be taking the color French Kiss. I'm going to be taking my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray it. So next I'm going to go back in to the shadow right here, and taking that same brush earlier, I'm going to go back into my crease. And slowly start to build it in. Brush and sort of blend that color out. So next what I'm going to do is going to go into that yellow color, and taking just a smaller brush right here, I'm going to start sort of blending it in this area, so it's more of a gradient effect rather than like cut. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Paris Lineur Intense Felt Tip Liner. So that took like 5 billion years to do. But next I'm going to be taking my curling wand, and I'm just going to curl my lashes. First I'm going to go into my Tarte's Lights Camera Action mascara. And then next I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and waterproof. So now that I'm done with the eyes, what I like to do is go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing oil, or you can just use coconut oil, whatever you have. Just put some on my fingers, or put it in the palm of my hand. And then I like to go under my eye. And the reason why I do this is because I find when I use concealer, it sort of bunches up, because there's like leftover concealer on here. And this just helps it not to bunch up. And my other tip is finding I know this might sound gross to you, but finding an old shirt that you don't like to use and then swiping it off, because using a towel, I find that it's very rough, and if you have sensitive eyes, I find that this helps a lot, because I have very sensitive eyes, and if I take off makeup too much, my eyes start to water, but I find using this that doesn't happen. So, tip of the day. So now I'm going to go and do my foundation off camera, and I'll be right back. The first thing I'm going to be taking is the Cover FX Custom Drops in the color Sunlight, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Ooh. I'm going to take the shade Myself. And here it is raining right now. But I'm just wiping that brush off, and I'm now going to apply it here. And then next I'm going to go into the ColourPop palette, and I'm doing this because I don't know how to say the name, so it's just going to be right here. But it's this color. I'm going to concentrate it more near my waterline. My Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to lightly put on some mascara. Some Fenty gloss to just top it off. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I wanted to do something with yellow, and yeah, I tried this a couple days ago, but I felt like my crease was too dark, so I wanted to redo it, and I feel like it came out really good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming beauty videos.